I'm Marvin with KMK Photos, and today we're taking you on the behind the scenes of a wedding that I did roughly about 2 years ago. Pretty much from the getting ready all the way up to the ceremony. Hope you enjoy. Now, at the start of every wedding, I do like to start with some establishing shots. There really wasn't anything but a hotel and a busy street, so I pretty much started on the inside. Pretty much, this was a nightmare for me. Backlit ceremony. It was not ideal, but did the best that I could anyways. So we're starting off with the first look with the bridesmaids. And I already had it set up, but I really wanted to keep it as organic as I can. You could see her reactions right there. And I really try to capture emotions as true as possible.
Cases of champagne, got the weed rolling for my brain. Low down the chariot, let me ride. Oh girl, I wanna know what you got inside. All right. 2 cases of champagne.
Yeah, and of course, capturing different angles is always good. I forgot to mention I worked this wedding solo, so I did not have a second photographer. So I pretty much had to be as busy as I could, getting different angles. And pretty much the room was a little bit tight, so I pretty much shot the entire getting ready on a 24mm. Here's mom. She definitely wants to get in some of the action, so snapped a few photos with her. And again, I try to keep some stuff a little bit organic. Don't you shed a tear.
That secret kind of make you suicidal. She like when I was still in high school. She was out breaking all the rules. Look your fancy dead, look your fancy well. It's ain't no fancy when she breaking all my heart.
Alright.
I guess I take you right back to the start. My nigga was 2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain. Low down the chariot, let me ride.
And I'd like for you to look like outwards. Yeah, it's actually beautiful.
I like that one.
When it's kind of looking over your shoulder a little bit. And mom, yeah.
I still to this day.
Beautiful. Like, do with both arms. Yep, both arms. Yeah. And all these shots are pretty much mocked, as you can see. We're pretty much recreating the getting ready stuff. Of course, I don't need to see her like fully naked getting dressed. And now we're actually getting ready for the first look. We're walking outside of the hotel downtown Philly, and it's probably about 2 minutes away from our spot where we're doing the first look in Independence Hall. So I'm just here grabbing some candid shots, pretty much capturing the day, as that's exactly why they hired me. Not only to capture, posed photos, but really to capture the candid moments of exactly what's happening. We're gonna go there and up.
Okay.
Don't ask me what the matter is. What you wanna know for? It's irrelevant. When the room full of elephants got your attention like the motherfucking president.
Doing some more details and shots of them walking up to the first look.
Got the weed rolling for my brain. Low down the chariot, let me ride. Oh girl, I wanna know you got inside. Late night mission, she's a night rider. That secret kind to make you suicidal. She back when I was still in high school. She was out breaking all the rules. No good fancy day, no good fancy way. It's ain't no fancy where she breaking all my heart. This ain't no for said Miss Cloud, but said for that this blood. I guess I take you back, right back to the start. My nigga, what? 2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain. Load on the chariot and let me ride. Don't really wanna know what you gonna say.
Now, this moment of the shoot, I really try to keep as quiet as I can. I'm not trying to give them any type of directions. I really just want them to play this out as they naturally would, trying to be themselves. And I give them anywhere from like 2 to 5 minutes until they kind of turn around awkwardly to me, wondering what's happening next.
2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain. Load down the chariot and let me ride. Oh, girl, I wanna know what you got inside. She keeps me rocking in that ocean floating. Doubling up.
Look at each other.
Now, immediately after the first look, I personally like to start with bride and groom portraits. As I said, hair's fresh, makeup's fresh.
And kiss?
So I really try to maximize this opportunity to capture as many photos as I can.
Brown. Yeah, let's have one where you're looking this way.
And of course, it's important to get some shots of the bride alone in her dress. So yeah, that's what I did there.
But I want you to twist your arm around a little bit more. Well, not to, yep. And I kind of want you to pinch it right there. Yep.
Now here I'm reenacting that ring exchange shot. I know the ceremony's not here yet, but getting those shots before is going to be important because I don't want to be the one to walk up while they're exchanging the rings and blocking the view of the guests.
All right.
2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain.
All right. All right, I'm gonna tell you when. So look, all right. Look to the camera.
Got the weed rolling for my brain. Load down the chariot and late night mission, she's a night rider. That secret kind to make you suicidal.
All right, and you guys kiss.
She was out breaking all the rules. Ain't no your fancy dad, no your fancy
Side of her head, all
I
right.
really like this spot simply for the fact of how versatile it is. There's so many different areas that you could get photos. And to be honest, it's really a popular spot downtown Philly. You'll see a lot of folks getting married down here, a lot of brides. Pretty windy, but we made the best of it.
Foot down. And get a look. Yeah, right. Yeah.
load down the chariot and let me ride. Oh, girl, I wanna know. Cases of champagne. Letting for my brain. Load down the chariot and let me ride.
Now, during the ceremony, I actually opted to use one of my Godox flash. This is the V1.
Doubling up on a love potion. This that shit that got me overdosing. But at least my boat still floating. Whoa, yeah. Got the feeling while I'm free. Oh, that shit brings me back to me. Like a hand down. Sure, how a nigga get down. 2 cases of champagne. Got the people letting for my brain. Load down the chariot and let me ride. Oh, girl, I wanna know what you got inside. 2 cases of champagne. Got the beat rolling for my brain. Load down the chariot and let me ride. Oh, girl, I wanna know what you got inside. She got a token for your dreams. Right before you fall asleep. And I don't know what I believe. I just take what I receive. Don't ask me what the matter is. What you wanna know for? It's irrelevant. When the room full of elephants got you attention like the motherfucking president. 2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain. Low down the chariot and let me ride. Oh girl, I wanna know what you got in time. 2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain.
Please place the ring on that stand. Once you've done so,
What you got in time? Late night mission, she's a night rider. That secret kind of make you suicide. She was out breaking all the rules. Ain't know you a fancy dad, know you a fancy wet. Back to the start, my nigga, what? 2 cases of champagne. Got the weed rolling for my brain. Low down the chariot and let me ride. Oh girl, I wanna know what you got inside.
Now that was pretty much it. Of course, there's a lot more clips. There's a lot more photos. I just wanted to give you just an overview of how I handled the wedding day. And of course, in the near future, I'll be posting a lot more videos showing full behind the day scenes of a wedding day. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something and have a nice day.